I invite you to get comfortable in your seat. A long story, a lot of detail, and our bottom line is identifying our Ahab, our Jezebel, finding our prophet who is in alignment with divine mind, with spiritual law, and dwelling in the great I am. I am at the mountain to know and understand that I am an expression of spirit. An indwelling force, an energy, a movement, a principle that is active, animated, and alive in me. Wherever you might find yourself in this story, is it obviously exactly where you need to be right now. And so can we rest in the knowing, even if we're in the middle of the fear, the confusion, the kerfuffle, can we remember that Spirit is in the midst? I know that I know that I know God is in the midst. I am that I am. May we know that we are born blessed. May we know that we are here in this time, in this place, in this space to express to the highest and best of our ability, to express truth, divine love, and the great I am. And so it is. Amen.